Today we're going to be decorating the cover of our handmade sketchbooks. So in keeping with the recycled theme, we're going to be recycling magazines, newspapers, any kind of paper you have handy. So you'll need some glue in order to attach it, scissors for cutting, and any sort of card or something that you can smooth out the paper after you've glued it down. So once you've kind of figured out what element of art you want to focus on, you kind of have to just do some digging. So go through all those magazines, pull anything that you see that maybe could work, and sometimes the idea sort of comes to you once you find the right pieces of magazine. So in my case, I found lots of these like vertical lines. I cut those and decided to arrange them like a spiral. And you can see Miss Baxley here is working on hers. If you can't guess the theme, I think you can, but hers is color. So that's pretty simple. And she kind of went with a easy gradient, but you can see even though it's a simple design, it's still really effective. And then she still has a great backdrop to do some fun stuff with her name. So you can see her pulling some letters to make her name. And look how amazing that came out. I actually prefer her design to mine. And Miss Madre's, she preferred the back cover to the front cover because of that really cool dinosaur thing. Hers was texture, if you weren't able to figure that out. So look forward to seeing what you come up with.